Hello, my name is Ursula Maria Bell and I am a family constellation facilitator. And this is the sixth and last one of my series of short videos about the orders of love, which are at the foundation of the family constellation work and were defined by the father of family constellations, Bert Hellinger. So in the past 5 videos we have learned about the family as a system, about the balance and what happens when the family system falls out of balance. We have learned about the orders of love, which is about belonging, who belongs to the family system. We have learned about the rightful places. We have learned about the necessity to respect the other's fate and to take our own responsibility. And we have learned about the different balance of give and take when it comes to parents and children and when it is about an adult or romantic relationship. So when we integrate these orders of love in our daily life, then they can become a key to a successful and happy life and relationships. Now, some people think that doing a constellation is everything that it needs. And sometimes this might be true, so these miracles happen. But usually there is much more to it. It needs commitment and practice. So we can work on the orders of love, we can meditate on them, we can read about them, and we can step by step become aware of how they act unconsciously in our life and bring them to consciousness. And of course we can participate in family constellation workshops. And some people think that participating as a representative is only to support the issue holders, the people who work on an issue or on a question. But it's not like that. So on the one hand, of course, we need representatives. And without representatives, we could not do group constellations. But on the other hand, the truth is that when we participate and contribute to the healing of others, automatically a healing for ourselves is happening. Because we might be aware of or become more aware of our own situation in our family system. And many times we are chosen as representatives for issues or for situations that are very much related with our own family system. So the insights we get about our own life and our own family and the own issues or problems in our own family system is incredible when we participate in a family constellation. And there's more to it, because the more we participate, the more we understand, the more we become interested in our own family of origin. So we might investigate, we might ask questions, we might talk to parents or grandparents about what they lived, or get to know new stories about our own family system, and maybe change perspectives on many things. And the more we do this, the more we become aware of where in our family system the orders of love have been disrespected, unconsciously or consciously. And the more we do this, the more we become aware of where we are and where our issues in life might come from. And then we find new solutions and new answers. So becoming aware of and including the orders of love in our daily life can be an incredible life-changing experience and an ongoing transformational journey. But of course it's not a magic wand. It requires openness and honesty. Openness to a totally new perspective on life and relationships. And to something that might go against everything we have learned or been taught until then. And honesty with ourselves. Sometimes a radical honesty that needs courage and compassion. And understanding that we are part of something bigger. That we are what we are because thousands of ancestors have been there before us. And despite of all the issues and the trials they went through. Understanding we are who we are because we have exactly these two parents. And that blaming them for the past will not change the past and will not heal our present and our future. Understanding this gives us an awareness of being part of an incredible flow of life and part of a family system and of courage, of strength and of a force of life, and that behind everything of that is love. At least that's what I believe, and it might be a love that is misdirected or misinterpreted. It might be or have been a love that is embedded in a hidden loyalty, an entangled love, a desperate love, a love that led to crime and disaster. But still in the end, it is love. I thank you for watching and for listening these videos about the orders of love. If you haven't seen the other ones, I invite you to watch them too. And if you have questions or want to know more about it, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. And I wish you a good life in the spirit of love and reconciliation. Thank you.